Find the value of x. Square root of 5 into square root of 5 into square root of 5 is equal to 125 power x. Let us apply the following rules. A power m times a power n is equal to a power m plus n. A power m times a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Then the other rule we are going to apply is a power m bracket power n is equal to a power m times n. We can write this one where it is divisible. A power m times a power n is equal to a power m plus n. So now we can express this one here as this is square root of 5. So we can express this as a square root of 5 into square root of 5. Square root of 5 into square root of 5 in square root of 5. Square root of 5 here we can express it as a 5 power 1 over 2. So this is square root of 5, we multiply by 5 power 1 over 2, which is this one here, and 5 we can write it as 5 power 1. So now we have square root of 5 here into square root over 5 power 1. 5 power 1 according to this rule here, we can write it as 5 power 1 times 5 power 1 over 2. We can write it as 5 power 1 plus a half according to this rule here. So this is going to give us square root of 5 into square root over 5 power 3 over 2. Then this is going to give us a square root over 5. Now we want to express square root of 5 power 3 over 2 in another way. So we can say this is square root of 5 times. We can express square root of 5 power 3 over 2 as a 5 power 3 over 2 times a half. And this is going to give us a square root of 5 times square root of 5 times 5 power 3 over 2 times 1 over 2. We express square root of 5 power 3 over 2 as 5 power 3 over 2 times a half. This is going to give us 5 power 1 times 5. 3 over 2 times 1 over 2 is a 3 over 4. It is going to give us 5 power 3 over 4, and this is going to give us 5 power 1 plus 3 over 4 plus 3 over 4 according to this rule here. This is equal to square root over 5 power 1 plus 3 over 4, which is giving us 5 power 7 over 4. Now we can express square root of 5 power 7 over 4 as a 5 power 7 over 4 times 1 over 2, and this is giving us a 5 power 7 over 8, and this is equal to 125 power x. Now we can write this as a 5 power 7 over 8 is equal to 5 power 3 into bracket power x. 5 power 7 over 8 is equal to 5 power 3x. Now we have got common base here, common base here. This implies that we can equate exponent 7 over 8 to exponent 3x. So we can say that 7 over 8 is equal to 3x. We can divide both sides by 3. Both sides by 3. 3 cancel 3 here. We remain with x here. 7 times 1 is a 7. 3 times 8 is a 24. X is equal to 7 over 24. This is our final answer. Thank you for watching.